I start at 5 o'clock in the morning, so that's when all the strategy development and other work happens. And then, it's the usual exercise, and by 9ish, I'm at work, right? And then there is no boundary. So whenever that finishes, if I get an hour in the evening, half an hour, do, review what's happened, have a look at my logs, there is anything. And that's typically how it goes. And then on the weekend, I do the serious development work. Again, as I'm a morning person, so as early as is possible, put in 2 or 3 hours on a Saturday morning or a Sunday morning. So that way I get my time. It's going a little slow, but yeah, that's where it is. So that's how I put in the time. Start early, finish early, then the rest of the day is yours.